So first of all, we need to find what the difference is. So the difference is going to be plus 5 here, the difference here is plus 10, and the difference here is plus 15. Okay, well now we can see that the next difference, or the second difference, is going to be the same, it's plus 5. So we have a quadratic sequence. Now, the Tn formula for a quadratic sequence is Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. Now, our second difference, the second difference is 5. Okay, so what we basically say is 2a, because it's the second difference, is 5. So a is actually 2.5. Okay, because we're dividing across by 2. So that's what we establish first. And now what we do is we fill in t of 1 and t of 2 and make two separate equations. So first of all, we need to establish what is t of 1 and what is t of 2. So this is t of 1, this is t2, t3, and so on. Okay, now we're going to use t of 1. All right, t of 1 is 2. Okay, and our a is 2.5. So we're just going to do basic substitution here into Tn formula. So we've Tn is equal to n squared plus bn plus c. So t of 1, all right, because that's what we've found here, is going to be equal to a, which we know is 2.5, okay, times 1, because it's t of n, 1 squared, plus b times 1 plus c. Now when we solve that, we're going to be left with 2.5, okay, plus 1b, or just b, plus c, okay. Now, we know that the first term is 2, so we know that this is equal to 2, and where I'm getting that is from up here, t of 1 is 2, okay. So what I need to do here, just like I showed you in the last video, I need to subtract this from the 2, okay, to level out both sides. So my final answer is b plus c equals, well, 2 minus 2.5 is going to be minus 0.5. So that's my first equation. So essentially this is equation 1. So again, we're going to write out, so I have t of 2, okay, is equal to 7, and our a this time is still 2.5. Okay, now, so t of the Tn formula, the same as always, equals an squared plus bn plus c. So t of this case 2, so our n is 2, is equal to, well, a is 2.5, so it's 2.5 times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c. Now when we simplify that down, we get 10 plus 2b plus c, and we know that that's equal to 7. And how I'm getting that is because my first term, or my second term, apologies, is 7, so it's equal to 7. So again, I have to subtract my 10. Okay, so that is going to leave me with 2b plus c equal to minus 3. And that's my second equation. And this is where we're going to look into solving them simultaneously. So this is equation 2. Okay, so there's a number of ways to solve a simultaneous equation, but basically what we need to do is we need to make one of these c's a minus, okay, because a plus and a minus will cancel each other. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to change the signs across the bottom row, okay. So what's going to happen is this is going to become a minus b, this is going to become a minus c, and then obviously minus by minus, this is going to become a plus, okay. So what I'm left with here is I can cancel my c's, okay? 2b minus b is just left with b, and then minus 3 plus 0.5 is minus 2.5. So b is minus 2.5. And now all I do is I take the b plus c formula equal to minus 0.5, the original. I sub in for b, minus 2 point, I don't even need brackets there, sorry. Minus 2.5 plus c equals minus 0.5. So c is equal to minus 0.5 plus 2.5. So c is basically 2. Okay? And then what we do is the final step, if you like, is to put all of that then together into the Tn formula. So I'll just do that over here. So you've got Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c, because it's a quadratic, okay? We found out that a is equal to 2.5. We got that from the very start. B we now figured out is minus 2.5. And c we just figured out is 2. So I'm basically just subbing that in. So it's Tn is equal to, I'm actually going to just make that cross here a little bit to give me more room. Tn is equal to a, which is 2.5, okay, n squared, because we don't need to put in n this time, plus b, which is minus, so plus by a minus is a minus, 2.5, b, and then plus 2 for c. Okay, and that's it. That's your final answer there. The Tn formula in terms of n. And that's it done. So go back over this question. See, can you do it now based on the last example? Work through this one. It is very, very similar to the very first example in the video.